In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 5T, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off, like so. Wait for it to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. So power key, volume up. And there we are. So we're now in the recovery mode. From here, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, which is the second option. You can simply tap on it or use, I think, volume keys to select it, but I think tapping is just easier. So once you select it, I want to then confirm it by typing in yes, so like so, and then tap on Factory Data, Wipe Data Factory Reset, Verified Require once more, and now the process will begin. And once it's finished, we should be back in the recovery mode screen. And from here, all you need to do now is just tap on Reboot System Now and wait for the device to reboot. Now, keep in mind that the phone will continue to do the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer to power back on than it normally does. So just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.